Here we have a Heil 5000, the Carrier Performance Series unit. The Heil's currently running. Over here, I'm going to show you the Heil. On the Heil, the model number is CH5042UKB38678012242. Serial number is L9313722127. So it's a 1993 Heil, and it's a heat pump according to the data panel. And over here on the Carrier, as you can see, it's a Performance Series right there. It's a heat pump because right down there is the reversing valve, and the serial number on this guy is 1811E01456. Model number is 258CC542A300. So these are both heat pumps. So yeah, here we have a Carrier Performance, a 2011 Carrier Performance Series heat pump and a Heil 5000, Heil 5000, a 1993 Heil 5000 heat pump. The Heil 5000 is currently running. Over and out.